me, does that mean I am not lucky? And it got me thinking. And I then concluded that, of course, I am also lucky. Just that my way of understanding and getting things from Guruji has been slightly different than what others so far who've spoken with us have experienced, or rather, received his blessings in a different way. So I then began to think that, okay, what can I share with you all? Because I don't have much of, experiences where I have been in his physical presence. But I would like to start by saying that I got connected to this wonderful Guru Parivar ever since my childhood, because of course my parents are associated and they have been connected with you guys for so many years now. I think it's about 25 years. So जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी होती गई, I have always just seen how this whole family is connected. There have been multiple instances जहाँ पे मुझे ये महसूस हुआ है that the statement that गुरु एक तत्व है, वो मैंने बहुत बार एक्सपीरियंस किया है. So I'll tell you how. So for example, एक बार मैं और मेरे पापा दिल्ली जा रहे थे ट्रेन से. I had an exam to give in Delhi, and we were traveling by train from Bombay to Delhi, and we had to get down at Delhi Cant railway station. Of course, none of us has been to, like, we are not very familiar with Delhi, or like we don't know kab kaun sa station aayega, kya aayega. We got ready just a little time before that our station was going to come, and we were all set to like get down. जब वो station आया, train रुकी, and I just read the word Cant. And I'm telling my dad, अरे नहीं, ये हमारा स्टेशन नहीं है. My dad was also like, हाँ हाँ शायद अगला होगा. And the train left. We didn't get down. And then when the train started moving, it didn't stop for another like half an hour. And we are checking कि अभी तो हमारा स्टेशन आ जाना चाहिए था. Suddenly वहाँ पे एक TC आता है. And he's like, नहीं, वही स्टेशन था, अब तो उतरे नहीं. अब ये ट्रेन हरियाणा रुकेगी. And of course, me and my dad are panicking because of course next day मेरा एग्जाम है, हमें टाइम से पहुंचना है. So my dad just thinks कि अब हम क्या करें. So he calls up Haryana के गुरुजी. Sorry, I'm really bad with names. I'm really sorry. So I wouldn't take names. So he calls up Haryana के गुरुजी, and गुरुजी उन्हें बोलते हैं कि don't worry, आपको पानीपत स्टेशन पे so and so person आके मिलेंगे and he will take care. Don't worry. So as he mentioned, we reached पानीपत station. वहाँ पे हमें वो मिले भी. उन्होंने हमें खाना खिलाया, प्रसाद करवाया. He then arranged for all of the logistics. He said, okay, fine, ये next train आएगी, आप उसमें जाना, आप पहुंच जाओगे. So, like, this is one instance where there could have been a huge miss. We could have gotten lost, but we didn't. Why? Because we are so spread out all across the world, and it takes one phone call, and we all are there. I would say we all, because somewhere or the other, knowingly or unknowingly, हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ होते ही हैं. So this was one such instance where I strongly felt that no, it is not just the physical presence, but this whole network that Guruji has created and is all bind so strongly with his blessings and love, that there is something unique about all of this that is being created and is being blessed by him. Another example, if I have to give you all, then I have traveled a lot across India for my work. Like I mentioned, I work in sales and marketing, so बहुत यहाँ वहाँ transfer होती रहती है. Every time I go to some other place, along with all my baggage and all my travel luggage, whatever I carry, I have 2-3 phone numbers from that particular city, wherein my dad is like, कुछ भी लगे, ये भैया है, ये चाहिए, इन्हें call करना, ये हो जाएगा, ये करना, don't worry. So there has never been a fear in my head that okay, fine, I am going to an unknown place, और मैं वहाँ जाके क्या करूँगी, या मैं वहां जाके कैसे खुद को संभालूंगी. Because somewhere in the back of my mind there is always one thought that okay, fine, there is someone just a phone call away. So all of these someones who are just a phone call away are just I would say bits and pieces of Guruji himself, because we all say, like, we are all forms of the Almighty. So there have been multiple instances where I have experienced